Hello, this is Stefan from Octomind. This time I want to show you how to create a repeatable test that basically creates something and then cleans up afterwards. In the previous video, I already showed you the application we want to use. It's kind of the cloud storage. And what we want to do is, of course, log in first and then create a folder. And then later on also delete that folder again so that we have the same state as before. How are we going to do this? So I have a project already that has a login test and a test account configured. So I would do a generate more or create a new test case from here, which means we have login as a precondition that is then creating a login context so that the agent can actually work with the application. And then we are creating a test case called create and delete folder. And in order to make this like a repeatable test, we need to create a unique name for that folder that then so that it doesn't interfere with any other folder that is maybe already in the application. How we want to do this? So what we do is we are using variables. In this case, a variable that creates like a random number. And there's a couple of variables providing this feature, also referenced in the documentation. The system variables all starts with $octo. And what we are going to use here is $octostable ID, UUID short, this one. This creates a combination of letters and numbers with a length of 8 characters. And then we prompt the agent to use this at saying, create a new folder with the name, and then we are going to use this $octoID short. Then delete this folder again. So now we just click save and generate and see what the agent will come up with. So first thing that happens would of course be logging in, as we defined this as a dependency. And then we will see that the folder is being created. So the generation has now finished. The temporary folder name you see here, it was successfully created and then deleted. And the check that the agent adds is that we have 4 folders like in the beginning. So what actually did the agent do? So in the first step, it was clicking on the plus to create a new folder. Then, and this is the interesting part, it enters a new folder name. And in this case, we told him to use this $octostable UUID short, which creates a different name each time the test case is run. This avoids collisions so that there is no way of accidentally use the same folder name. And also in the subsequent steps, the folder is being deleted so that we have the same state as in the beginning of the test case. Now the delete is then done in the drop-down menu on the right. So this is how you're going to delete, how you're going to use system variables with an Octomind test. Thanks for watching.